I made Illuminating Eye Concentrate to fight the real causes of dark circles. To use Illuminating Eye Concentrate, apply 1 pump from our precision applicator under each eye. Distribute the gel in small dots under each eye. Use the precision applicator to massage the gel into your skin, going in outward strokes. I made our unique precision applicator to fit perfectly in the crease under your eye, so you apply the right amount of product hygienically without having to use your fingers. If you do use your fingers, always use your 4th finger because it's the most delicate. It's very important to use Illuminating Eye Concentrate in the morning and at night because dark circles are very difficult to treat. Remember, if you have severe dark circles that have bothered you for years, it may take time, but you will get better. Check out all of our products at anjalimd.com and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post there almost daily.